Alright, let's unbox this Swiss Army knife. This is one that I've been wanting for a little bit. And here it is, the Swiss Army Swisschamp in red, in classic traditional red. As you can see, I already opened it and I've already been playing with it. It doesn't come with a manual, but that's fine. Don't need that. And here it is. This thing is bulky and very, very cool. Look at that. 7 layers. 7 layers. So here are the wire stripper, the bottle opener, and the flathead screwdriver. On this side we got the can opener with the smaller screwdriver. Man. Here we go. The Phillips. This thing is incredibly useful. Actually, I have it on my Explorer. And at first I thought that this whole thing was plastic, but the lens is actually made out of glass. It has a plastic frame around it, so that way, it's not going to crack the glass. It's not going to break anything. But that thing is absolutely fantastic. Let's go ahead and take a look at the next thing that's on here, which are the pliers. Very cool. And then I believe it's going to be the scissors next. All right. Then we have the fish hook remover and the scaler. We got the saw. I'm a huge fan of the saw. Yesterday or the day before yesterday, I think I used it. I had a piece of rawhide. There's a saw on this thing. This is my Huntsman, and I had a chunk of rawhide, and I have 2 dogs, so I had to saw it in half so I could keep, so I could evenly split it. Now these things are amazing. This is the take a look at this one. There it is. The file. And then of course you got the big blade and the small blade. Here we have the corkscrew with the tiny screwdriver for glasses, and this thing is incredibly useful. I've been wearing glasses my whole life, and I typically work on, I work on watches, I work on glasses, I work on pieces of jewelry, I fix things, and this right here, it came with the little pin. Let's put this back in here so I don't lose it. And then right here is, they're hard to get to. This is another screwdriver. In here is also the chisel. And it's very stiff because it's all new. But that's the chisel. We got the multi-purpose hook, and then the last thing on here is the reamer, which is probably going to be really hard to open. Oh, here we go. The reamer or the awl, and then of course the tweezers, the toothpick, and it comes with a pen. Did I miss anything? I might have. I don't think I did, but who knows? There's a lot of stuff on it. Love this knife. So in comparison to This one right here, this is a 7-layer. This is a 4-layer knife. You can see it's quite a difference in size. Here's my Explorer. Yeah. Put a see a bit of a lanyard for it. So here we go. Put this in. There we go. Very happy with this. And I will do a follow-up video with this because I will use this thing to death. And I'll carry this with me wherever I go. Alright. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. And we'll see you all in the next video.